Okay. Good morning, guys. Right, okay. As you can see, day by day, we're showing you more fancier cars. Can't help it though, can we? DKU performance. Right, guys, this video is about the Audi RSQ8. Is that right? Did I get that right? RSQ, not a bad guy, innit? But anyway, RSQ8. Right, 590 horsepower, 4-litre bi-turbo, beast of a car. Same platform as its younger brother, the RS6. So yeah, pretty impressive. Turns up, couldn't hear it. I think, actually, it's got the same engine as a Urus? Urus? Is it Urus? Urus? I'm going to say something stupid in a minute. You guys are coming up with some nasty names. Yeah, so Lamborghini Urus has got the same platform. I think that's about 630 or 40 horsepower. So we've got the same engine. So guys, today, in this video, we're going to be showing you the box modification that we're going to do on this to get the more sound. Because in the start of the video, if you're not already heard it, it sounds pathetic. Basically, you can't hear it. The gentleman's come in. He wants us to box mod it. And let's see what it turns out to be. So guys, keep on watching the video. It'll be an awesome one. Right, let me actually saying that. This is the first time I'm gonna look underneath it. Let's see what we're gonna be doing. We've got a horizontal silencer. You can see it's valve controlled up. We're gonna doctor it. So it's not obvious on what we've done, but we're gonna doctor it, see what's going on inside, replumb that. My main concern would be, I suppose, these pair. I think these are gonna be OPF, yeah, so these are gonna be probably OPFs. No? Or maybe OPFs are up there. I don't know, I'm not familiar, guys, but we certainly will be because it's the second inquiry for the same car. Actually, then we've got a Urus as well that's pretty much recently inquired. So I'm assuming they seem a bit hollow. Looking at the part number, I'll tell you what they are in the video a bit later on in the video. So they're there, we're not touching them. We're gonna start from the OE flanges right there. We're gonna go all the way to the back. Mod the box, crank the car up, see what it sounds like, and probably come back for this beast right here and pipe this up. We don't know yet, guys. This could be oblivious. It's our first one, so let's get cracking on with it. Let the boys take it apart and let's start operating. See you in the rest of the video. Lads, guys, ladies, gentlemen, I'm pretty disappointed. Now, the box is out of that car as well. And we listen to it. Guys, give it a rev. Go on, why don't you give it a rev? That's the owner running up to it. Me personally, I thought it was gonna be ranting. Check this out. That's the box delete. That's the full box mod. And the center box out. The center box is ginormous. It's here somewhere. But if I showed you the inside of it, guys, you're gonna be shocked. Let me show you the inside of the box. Open this. Right, open that, please. Check this out, guys. This is the box that we've taken out the car, right? Look at the size of this beast. Look at the size of that. But guess what? It's hollow. I don't know. All I could say, I hate OPFs. I hate. What a waste of sound. A car of that caliber, come on. Shall I give you my opinion? if you own one of them, have it straight piped from the original clamps all the way to the back on either side. Take your original exhaust system home. Don't have a box mod. Honestly, don't have a box mod. I'd go all the way individually, all the way to the back, pipe work. A bigger bore size, probably 3.5 inch on either side, all the way. You're not going to have dynamic controls, because the dynamic controls actually are not doing anything. To me, that is probably a 20% increase off stock, if that. It's a perfect upgrade, I suppose, if you're really, really picky about exhaust systems. Like, if you were to, I would probably have that. This will probably sound a bit sexist for my wife, so she doesn't get too much attention, but that's about it. Guys, I'm not satisfied. He's just putting a face on and he owns the car, right? He's just trying to make himself feel better. I hate you, OPF Filters. I hate the person who made our OPF filter. I hope you get. He's ruined such a sick car, man. Guys, keep on watching the videos, loads of content. Well, let's see when it flies up. I hope it sounds better. Listen, we only speak the truth. Only but the truth. So next time, drop me a message. Right, guys, look, that's the most I could do, is speak the truth. My opinion, it sounds 15-20% more than normal. It is what it is, right? He's kind of, he says he's happy with it, but me personally, he could have done with an extra 15-20%. We box mod the whole of the rear silencer. We've took out the major silencer in the middle, and she sounds like that. There's nothing more you could do unless you want to avoid your warranty. So guys, think, if you got Urus or you have a RSQ8, think before you're going to make the next move. Yeah. Guys, keep on watching, subscribe to the channel, loads of content this year. Man, there we are, RSQ8.